Alright, it's like Tuesday night, and I got some acetylene yesterday, but I didn't have time to do nothing. But tonight, I'm going to do just a little weld. I'm going to weld that up. You know, we got some holes right in there. Might weld up some of them, and I might weld up some of that creasage over there. I don't know if that's really a body man term or not, but it's the one I chose to use. Sometimes I forget that all of y'all haven't been subscribed to me for the last however many years. And I like to weld my sheet metal with this oxygen acetylene torch right there. And what I use for filler rod is rebar tire wire. Now, some of you may know I work in construction, and I can pick that up where folks that don't buy it leave it laying around all over the job for free. So that's what I use, and it works pretty good. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, I welded up that piece. I welded this up the other day, and now I'm working on welding this crack up. And what I do is I weld a little bit, and this is thin stuff, boy, she's rusty. And then I'll take a hammer and dolly and straighten it back out. Because you know when you weld, it shrinks it. And you dolly it back out, you stretch that weld back out and get that gap back right. Or close to right, anyways. Alright, I done welded some. Hammer welded it. That's the term we used. Hammer welded. Now I gotta try to put that back together. She's pretty rusty, but I think I can get it shaped back at least, and then go from there. That's my idea. Alright, here's what I've done. I welded all that mess back together, but you can see she's pretty thin. That's kind of ugly, but it's about the best you can do as thin as this is. I don't know, this Fender is bad. It ain't hardly worth saving, but I can probably save it. Sure would like to find some better ones. But if I lack them, I can fix this. Looks a lot better than it did, don't it? That's what it looks like on the back side. Full of holes. Well, it's raining out there pretty good. I can't work in the rain no more. I'll catch my death of cold. Is that how you say that? No, it's not. Anyways, Mama told me to come in out of the rain, so I ain't gonna work on that truck no more tonight. But I am gonna watch this truck move, I think. So I'm gonna hook the battery up and crank it up and put it in gear and move it forward a little bit and move it back a little bit. I'm probably going to find all kinds of things under that truck. Probably will. We'll see if our battery's held to charge. Alright, let's see what happens here. Come on, baby. I think the battery's going to need some help. That's what I think. Oh, yeah. Alright, I got one of them things on it. Let's see what happens. Made quite a difference, but it's not quite enough. Let's see how much that drew it down. Oh, she's down to 56%. I think I better put the real charger on it. You know what? I'm not gonna push my luck. I'm just gonna go dry off. I'm soaking wet yet. I'm going to put the battery on charge, 10 amp charge, and let it charge. Then I'll come out here tomorrow and mess with it. That's what I'm going to do. Would you like to say anything about your shirt or anything like that right there?
Sure. Go to MrHeavyChevy.com, get yours.
She don't know how much they are, but you can find out when you go to MrHeavyChevy.com. I'm going to ring the bell.
And tip over the bucket. There's a hole in the bucket.
I kicked the bucket is what I done did.